Welcome to the Algo Art AI Euro 2024. This tournament will see 24 of Europe's best AI football teams battle it out to be crowned the champion of Europe. Group B, with Spain, Italy and Croatia, is the group of death. Today's match will see Spain going against Croatia. The team going through this group may well be down to goal difference, so every single goal is important. The match will be starting soon. 2 versus 2, first team to 10 goals wins. The Spanish touching the ball first, but the Croatians have scored first. Nice shot from the striker straight to the corner of the goal. 1-0 for Croatia. And another one for Croatia. A simple tap-in from the striker. Croatia with a 2-goal lead. Guys, the ball is there. Go get the ball. What are you waiting for? Get the ball. And the Spanish striker has scored. A simple tap-in. Bad defending. Oh, the Croatians almost scored there. Oh, nice defending. Oh, and a mistake from the Spanish defender. Tapping the ball back into his own goal. And a quick one from Spain. One bounce on the wall, straight into goal. Oh, the referee has signaled a goal. Is it the glitch? Yeah, definitely the glitch. Even Stevens now? Well, not anymore, as the Spanish striker have scored another simple goal. The Spanish are in front for the first time in this game. Nice defending there. Nice one. This is by far the longest game. Oh, and it ended with a terrible own goal from the Croatians. The defender dribbled the ball all the way back into his goal. At this midway point, let me explain how we train the AI models that control the players. For each team, we look at their FIFA World Ranking. The higher the ranking, the more games its model gets to train on. Spain is ranked 8, and their AI model is trained on 1.7 million games. Croatia is only 2 ranks lower at 10th. Hence, their AI model is trained on 1.65 million games. And we join the game back at 5-3 for Spain. Oh, and Spain has scored another one. A bit of a tussle there, but the striker got loose and scored the goal. A bit of tussle in the middle. Ooh. Guys, the ball is on the other side. Well, at least a striker is smart enough to just tap the ball in. A bit of a confusion here. But look at the Spanish striker going to the ball and tapping it in. Croatia really needs to score a few to stay in this game. Oh, and which they did. The striker taking the ball and barging it in through the defender. Oh, a quick reply from the Spanish. And it looked like the glitch again. The Croatians attacking there. And it passed the goal. The defender tried to stop it, but it has already crossed the line. Both sides are playing very tightly. Oh, the Croatian defender scored an own goal. But it looks like the glitch has helped the Spanish again for the 3rd time in this game. Match point for the Spanish. Oh, Croatians almost scoring there. The Croatians are doing everything they can to stop the Spanish. And which they did, a slow dribbling ball into the Spanish goal. Another match point for the Spanish. Oh, and which they have concluded nicely. A nice strike from the striker. And there you have it. Spain 10, Croatia 6. The game was tight at the beginning, but when the Spanish had the lead, they never looked back. And here we have the table of Group B. Spain has established an early lead with 3 points. Italy and Albania is coming up next. So please subscribe and don't miss it.